Here I have OPPO Find X, and let me show you how to activate private space on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the settings, then scroll down, find and select security, and here at the very bottom of the list you will see private safe. Just tap on this icon. Now you have to set passcode, which will protect your private safe, so just tap on set passcode. And now enter the passcode that you would like to have. So for example 123789, and confirm it by tapping it one more time, 785. That's it. Now you can set security questions, so you can either pick one from the following list. For example, what is your father's name? And here you should tap the answer, or you can enter custom questions, so you can put here, for example, the name of your first pet or something like this. So once it's typed, tap on OK, and then enter the answer. And once it's done, just tap on done. Here you can select if you would like to have the shortcut on your home screen or not. So I would like to have it. Just tap on the switcher, and once it's finished, just tap on done. From now on, you will be able to enter your private safe from the home screen. Here is the icon, so just tap on the icon and enter your passcode. And now you have an access to photos, audios, documents, and some other stuff that you would like to hide just for yourself. You can also enter it through the settings, so just open the settings, scroll down, go to security, one more time select private safe, and now you will have to enter the passcode. And that's it. Now you are in your private safe, so you can select the files and do whatever you want to with them. So that's it. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.